Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I am doing a hair review from Beauty Forever Hair. So I purchased this hair. This is their blonde jerry curl T-part wig. I will have all the specs in the description box below, but this is the wig. I did wash it and I plucked a little bit in the front. But you know, with T-part wigs, you don't really get enough space to T-parts. You really don't have a lot of lace to work with, but this is what the inside construction looks like. And you get 2 combs in the front, you get 1 in the back, plus the elastic straps. This is a different type of wig for me because I really don't know how it would look on me. But I thought it was super cute. I like T-part wigs. I really prefer closure wigs. But T-part wigs aren't bad. These are, I think, more beginner friendly because it doesn't take a lot of skill, or it doesn't take a lot of work to put on this wig, or you know, adjust it to your liking. But it is like a light brown lace. This is 20 inches and it is 150% density. But what really sold me on this was the color. The color is just so beautiful. I love the highlights. So I did wash this wig. I washed it because it had like a little smell to it. So I just washed it with my silicone mix. And so I let it air dry. And I did pluck it a little bit, like I said before. So that's why you see a lot of it is bushy and a lot of it is fine. But yeah, we're gonna get into this. So to lay down this hair, I'm going to go in with the Boho Liquid Gold, and this is what I'm going to use to apply my wig. So yeah, so I'm gonna take this off my head and I'm gonna go in with a little lace tint just because I'm not liking how white it's looking. I really want this to look a lot natural. So I am gonna go in with the lace tint, and this is the even lace tint. This is in the shade medium brown. Y'all, this hair is like super soft. It is so soft. This color just looks so beautiful. So I'm going to take some mousse. Like, it is just so luscious and soft. Like, I don't want to get it, I don't want to wet it, like wet, just damp enough. So you guys can see like earring. But so you guys can see like the nice curl pattern. Like the curl pattern is so beautiful. And it does shed, but of course that's expected from curly wigs or wigs that have been bleached and things like that. And again, this is 20 inches. So 20 inches comes like right under my boob, especially like this. What I like to do with my curly wigs, I do like to spray some leave-in conditioner, and this is by Cantu Shea Butter Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner Mist. So this is what the hair looks like wet or damp. So this is what the hair looks like damp. So I'm gonna show y'all what the hair is like once it's dry. So guys, my hair, so I decided to go ahead and do my makeup, but now that the hair is completely dry, I love this fluffy look. I do like the wet look sometimes, but I do like it when it's dry and it got a little fluff puff to it. I'm definitely loving this. I'm definitely feeling Sasha Fiercely. Like, this is the perfect wig. Now I wouldn't say this is a everyday wig, but for me, I could definitely see me tossing this on, especially when I'm about to go out. Like, this is just the perfect going out party hair. The color again is amazing. Like, I'm so in love with this color. The blonde, the browns, like, this is just so beautiful. Again, Again, I will leave everything down in the description box below where I purchased the hair, which again is from Beauty Forever. This is their Teapot blonde jerry curl wig. I love it. I love this hair. Like, I was kind of optimistic. I was kind of scared because I really didn't know how this would look on me, but I love it. I love it. Well, guys, this is the end of this Teapot wig install. Again, thank you for tuning into this video. Before you leave, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, thank you so much. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 900 subscribers. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Thank you guys for supporting me and my channel. I appreciate you all. Again, guys, I will see you next time in my video. Bye.